Hello everybody. I got these two Taiwanese cleavers off of someone. They were just going to be thrown away, and so I took them home and I figured, you know, I could probably do something with them, maybe clean them up, make them look a little bit better and make them useful, particularly this smaller one. So they seem pretty good. You know, this one I had actually sitting outside for a long time, for months, and it just shows just a tiny bit of rust. And the markings on them, I don't know if you can, I'll try to come in, see if you can see that. Get at a certain angle here. There you go. It says, here it says Taoyuan. That's actually the city. It's a city in Taiwan, probably where this company is, this Jingchen company. And it even has their telephone number right here. And I guess, you know, Tao here is a peach. So I'm assuming that's a peach. You know, peach orchard or whatever, the name of the town, I guess, you know, directly translated. Though I don't think I've ever seen a peach tree in Taoyuan. But yeah, anyway, so, and then here it says, the more important thing is here it says in Chinese, He Jing Gang, which is alloy steel. So, but what kind of alloy steel, I'm not exactly sure. So, but like I said, I'll clean it up and see. And then this other one here says, getting the light here a little bit better. It says 7 stars. That's, you know, 7 you can see, and you can see the stars, and that Xing is stars in Chinese. And then the Chinese here, I couldn't quite read that. I had to ask my wife, and that says Te Su Gang, which just means like specialty steel. But then below that it says stainless steel. So, you know, for now I think I'll hold off on this one. You know, of working on that for this video. I'll just, you know, work on this one. And my idea is to just really nothing fancy. I'm not going to do anything special to it other than I don't like this handle. So I'm going to remove that. And it seems like, you know, someone's bent the tang over to hold that in place. You know, it's probably drawn out and then bent over to hold this. So I'll just split this off. And I was thinking of just texturing maybe the upper half of this blade and then resharpening it and rehandling it, and then just use it like that. You know, I think my wife would find that pretty handy. And so this one here has got a pretty rough handle as well, and this one, so just, you know, it's pressure fit, and that's probably what I'll do for this one. So, yeah, I think what I'll do now is let me just see if I can knock this handle off. See what's, oh, yeah, that's easy enough. Oops. There goes my piece of wood. Yeah, so you can see how that it's actually kind of bent too. So this tang, but yeah, I'll hold off on this one for this video. Like I said, I want to work on this one right here. So I'll see if I can. I don't really care for this handle much, so let me see if I can split that off. Let's see if I can just maybe chisel it and break it in half. Oops. If I can get lined up here. It's pretty hard. Hope my camera's not vibrating now. There we go. Oops. Oops. Still pretty hard. Yeah, so it's as I thought. You know, the tang was just being held in place by that right there. So hold on. By that little bent over section. Yeah, I might use that ferrule. And you know, I've got this piece of wood here, which is a piece of it's the same wood that I use for my hammer handles. Piece of Asian ironwood. I'm not exactly sure of the exact species, but this should be pretty nice. You know, I don't know if I want to maintain it with that. I might take that off and just make it a pressure fit, same as the other one. But yeah, this is pretty slick. And it's definitely a good knife. Just needs some TLC, and I wouldn't call this a restoration, just kind of refurbishing it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Someone beat on the spine, so I first grind that smooth. I really need to thank Terrence Gill and Oz Tanrakulu for their generous donations. As I mentioned to Oz, it's ridiculous how much time it takes me to put together videos, and so while donating isn't necessary, it really goes a long way. Thanks Terrence, thanks Oz. I set the blade aside to normalize. I'm not going to worry about annealing. I cautiously harden the blade edge. I decide to darken the ferrule some. Please ignore the giant hole in my shorts. I might have to change my channel name to Hobo Blacksmithing. I use a little vegetable oil on the handle. That low hum in the background is someone jackhammering nearby. If it wasn't noisy here, I'd think I'd woken up in a different city. I find this alloy steel to be very hard, and so need to be a bit more aggressive. I progress through finer grits, only showing one side. Guava, my wife's favorite fruit. Catch you guys next time.